Hey guys, welcome back to a quick informative video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and how it's finally begun to market their Boost 5G network, which of course, I think there's a deadline at the end of June. I think they said mid-June to end of June, and I believe this article will talk more about it, but let's get into it, guys. So like I said, they're really trying to push that Boost 5G network, or Dish 5G really is what it is. So let's go into it. Of course, they're doing it with the launch of the Moto Edge Plus 2023, which is this phone. Really good phone. It's priced about $800, a little higher, but you actually get a really good discount on it. So let's get into it. It says Boost Mobile formally launched the Motorola Edge Plus 2023 today for $199.99 for switchers. It has a regular retail of $849.99. So this phone costs more than iPhone 14, guys. Wow, a regular one. So it says, but more significantly, Boost Mobile, through a press release, is marketing the Boost 5G network, with the device launch. It is the first time Boost has marketed the network with the launch of a phone at the price of $199.99. The new Motorola Edge Plus 2023 should appeal to a wider audience to help Boost get customers onto its own network, making those customers more profitable for the Boost own brand. So instead of them having to, lease out towers from other carriers like T-Mobile and at&t, this could be their own 5G network. So of course they're gonna be able to make more money off of it. So it's a good way to kind of see things there. So it says Dish has until June 14th, which is about 11 days from the making of this video, to meet the FCC mandate to have 70% of the population covered with its own 5G network, or phase fines per the term the company agreed to in order to be able to acquire Boost Mobile. Last month, Dish's EVP of network development, Dave Mayo, said Dish will meet the deadline, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that Dish is now ready to market its own 5G network, which is, I'm really excited for this. People are talking about you have to have Rainbow SIM card, but it doesn't seem to be the fact. As long as your phone is like 5G compatible and it's optimized for the new network, it should work fine. So they're basically saying this phone right here is going to be definitely working, and like excuse me, and they have a deep discount on it. Sorry, it's really early in the morning, I don't know what's going on. So it says, according to Mayo, the Boost 5G network is up and running in over 50 markets with voice over a new radio, so VONR, active in those markets. As previously reported by Best MVNO, which is who does this article, Boost has quietly been activating some customers on its new network since March, so they've been kind of trialing it. However, with the release of the Moto Edge 2023 and the upcoming FCC deadline, a push for more activations on the network should be expected. So of course, with this phone being at that price, I'm pretty sure more budget-friendly 5G devices will come out as well. So it says, Jonathan Sipling, Chief Marketing Officer, Retail Wireless, Dish Wireless, highlighted the significance of the launch, stating, offers like this helps our customers experience the latest technology, not just in their smartphone, but also by connecting them to our Boost 5G network to ensure they have the reliability they need and depend on. Wow. The press release emphasized that the Boost 5G network is the first of its kind, and the Edge gives Boost customers exclusive access to the latest 5G technology in more than 50 markets nationwide. In areas without the Boost 5G network, the Edge Plus will work on Boost partner 5G network, which includes at&t and T-Mobile. So if it's not like this phone only will work on Dish's 5G, because like I said, it's supposed to only cover 70% of the US, which is huge, but there's a big portion, 30% of it, missing, so the rest will be on the T-Mobile or at&t network. And just some information about it. Basically, in order to get the Moto Edge Plus 2023 for 200 customers, will have to purchase a device at a Boost Mobile store with an ID verification. Taxes will be owed on the device at the time of sale. There's a limit of one discounted device per line. It is for new customers only that port in and activate on eligible plans, most likely unlimited plan. Customers without a valid ID will have to pay the full retail price. Wow. Customers that would rather shop online will pay $400 for it. Alternatively, the Moto Edge 2022 is available for $200, but of course everybody wants the 2023 model. So not too bad, guys. $200 for the latest phone. That's $850 for 200, and you get to experience the new Boost Mobile 5G network. That's pretty cool. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Finally Boost is marketing that new 5G network. So pretty cool. Check out.